Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to block direct message on Instagram. First step is launch Instagram on your Android device. Then go to the person profile which you want to block. You can search for it by the name. Is a tab magnify tool. Then click search. Then find you want to block. Click on the name you want to block. And then tap the three dots in the top right. Then select block is the second option. Then verify by you. Then click block. Blocking an account will result in the person not being able to find your profile, story or post on Instagram. Of course, this automatically goes for direct message as well. Also, Instagram would not let the account know that you have blocked them. They might find out when they can't find your profile.
There is also a problem with this video. So ask about these comments any problem related to social media and internet. Let them know in the comments bar so that a video can be made on it. Please like this video and subscribe our channel and press icon for any updates and notifications. Thanks for watching.